Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Now we are in part 3. So in the previous video you started from scratch. From part 2 you started from scratch. Part 1 was only a review for you. So in this part 3 you will split and combine the bodies here. Why? Because we want to connect a part of the holder here with the lid and part of it with the box, and then we will color the box and we will change its size to iPhone case. Finally you will add the pen. So let's get started. So the following step here is to make this part connected with this part here and these two parts connected with the main box. Okay, so how to do so? First of all, we need to create two offset plane to cut this one. Just go to construct and then offset plane, and then just give it one click this side and then write -20 and then enter, and then go to this corner from the other side. Of course, construct offset plane, right? Click this side again, and then again you click on -20 and then enter. Click on the home view. So now we have two offset plane. It will be helpful for us when we want to cut this one here. So how to cut this one here? Simply we go to modify and then split body. So what is the body to be splitted? This one here. Okay, give it one click. So the body to split is this one, and the splitting tool, you just need to click on this one, splitting tool, and then choose. This is the splitting tool. Give it one click and then click on OK. Now do it again in this side. Modify, split body, select the body, which is this one. What is the splitting tool? Select here and choose this offset plane, and then click on. So you will see the circle. Now click on OK. So now we cutted this one here. Now we want to join this two with the main box and the middle with the lid. So now let's make the main box as the active one here, and let's have a look at what is inside this one. So you can see there are multiple bodies here, right? So click on modify, then combine, then you need to select the target body. What is the target body? Is the main box. So you click on here, which is body 2. This is the main one. And then what is the tool bodies here? You just need to click on this one here and this one here, and then you make it as join, then click on enter. So now all of the three that we selected, they are considered as one body 2. Now let's go to the lid cover and activate it here. Now go to modify, combine, and then select it as the main body, and then the select tool, you just click on the one in the middle here and then click on OK. So now as you can see, this one become only one body. Okay, so now to have an overview here, you can see it's from the home view. Just double click here, so you can still see the planes here. If you want them to disappear, you just click on the construction, just unhide it like this. Okay, so now we do have our main box here. So now let's color the box. So you can give it any color you want. I want to see your creativity here. So how to do so? Go to modify and then appearance. Of course, in your case you go to the library here. Okay, click on the library. You will find many folders here. You can choose any one of them. In my case, I went to paint and then glossy, and I choose from those colors. In your case, I want to see different colors, so you can apply it to each face. If you want to apply it to each face, you just click on this one and color each face you can see. Or in my case, I just want to make it a body, so let me give the red color up here for the lid, and the box, let's give it the black color, so just drag it like this. In this project is a size of iPhone, so the size of the box would be accordingly 90 and 160. This time let's activate the main box by clicking on the circle here. Okay, now let's go to sketches. You will find sketches here. Just go to sketches and then try to find the base sketch. It's not this one. Yes, it is this one. So let's see, not this one. So all the sketches related to this main box will be here. So we want to change this one here, right? So go to there, give it right click and then click on edit sketch. Okay, and then from here you just change the size. So now you just click on escape to go and double click on the number here. Go to the number and then give it double click so you can change. Then write 90 here, then click on enter. Repeat it again with the other dimension here, so we have to make it 160. So double click and then 160, then enter. So now we changed the size of the base here of the box. So then don't forget to click on finish sketching or stop sketching if you have the old version. And here you go. You click on the main one, the first one here, the box, to see the box with both components here, the main box and the lid. And of course you can do like this to see it from different view. So adding as a bolt joint, it's actually just go to assemble if you have the old version, and then this one will appear to you. Click component, select both the cover and the box, and then the position here, click on the circle inside the holder here, and then the type, make it revolute. Let's go to assemble and then click on as bolt joint. Then click on the components, so it's blue here, so I need to select this one blue and this one blue here. Okay, so I selected two here. Now I need to change the joint type to revolute. Okay, and then I need to select this, just give it one click and then click on OK. So now here if you want to change, for example, the degree, so this is degree, if you want to open it, make it 90 degree and then click on enter. So you can see it from the right view, you can see it's open 90 degree, and you can change it as per you want. So let's just double click here and make it 180 to make it open like this. Okay, so let's make it 80 in our case. Let's close it, 0 degree to close it. And finally now you need to add the pen. So where to find the pen? So you just go to the playlist here, go to the overview. You will find the link down there. If you haven't downloaded yet, just click here. Click on download, go to Viewgen, go to file, and then click on open. If you don't have open here, just take a screenshot that you cannot do this step here. Now you need to click on open from my computer, go to the downloads, you will find it here, this one. Just click on it and you will see that it's downloaded or it's open in new file or new design here. So now you just click on save, and you need to save it in my first project, or it depends on where did you save your previous design, right? And then click on save. Then close this one here and go to your design. Then you need to upload or insert the pen that you just saved. So go to the data panel here and you will see those projects. If you are inside one, like if you are inside here and you want to go back, and if you have the new version you just click on this one. If you have the old version you will find an arrow here, you just click on this arrow here. Okay, so here we go. Let me insert this new pin here. Okay, so how to insert it? Just right click and click on insert into current design. Just give it one click and close this one here to have a better view. So now as you can see the pen is here. So how to join this pen inside this box here? If you have the old version, just go to assemble and then you will see this window here. Click on component 1. Component 1 should be the pen here. Then component 2 should be the circle here. Okay, and then finally the type here is revolute. Okay, so let's do the same here. Here just enter. Now go to assemble, then joint, then you need to choose the component. Component number 1 should be this one here. You see, you need to click on this one here. Okay, so click on the whole rod here. Okay, then component 2 you need to select it. Component 2 should be what is inside this pen here. You see, make sure that the it's like a cylinder appear here. Okay, you just move till you find a cylinder, then give it one click. Now I give it one click here, then the pen will be joined here, then click on enter. So that's it. If you reach to this step, you have done a very excellent job here. Good luck.